Hello everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Productions here. Marshall Studios Forever Productions is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I'm here with the Oreck XL upright machine. And this machine was made in 1998 because I noticed that vacuum cleaner has been, and the handle was having some problems, but I'm looking forward to fix it. And before that, I'm just going to test it out and see. And this is made in 1998, you guys. And I bought this vacuum over at the Emporium store. I bought it for $15. And it feels like, I think the Emporium store where they sell a bunch of junk in there, I actually, found that last vintage vacuum. I'm here to let you know that this machine is really, really loud, and also here we go. Well, everybody, it needs a new belt, and it's kind of clogged up. The pipes are clogged up. Well, you guys, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe, and click down below what you want to see for a brand new video. Well, you guys, this vacuum might be broken, or it needs a new belt, and I think there's something with the problem that it's clogged up, and maybe I need to replace it and do some replacements on it, and I might put it back in the shed tomorrow, and maybe I'll scrap it or take it apart, or maybe it needs to be serviced. I'm just gonna service it, okay? Tomorrow I might ending up servicing it, okay? No, probably Monday. I might do it on Monday to service it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.